So this must be one of the biggest and heaviest metal 3D printed parts I've ever seen. This literally weighs a ton. What is it, like 30 or 40 pounds at least?
It is.
And how big is it?
This is about 400 millimeter diameter. This is a shower head for semiconductor manufacturing in the deposition side. And this was printed on our DMP Factory 500 in Inconel 718.
Wow, so what is the advantage of printing a part like this as opposed to generally manufacturing it in a traditional way?
Yeah, so we can print this in a monolithic design where all of the shower head nozzles are printed in one pattern, and this has a high reliability due to the single part design.
So that's the other side of this device.
Yeah, these ridges allow for thermal cooling, and the through holes are the shower head nozzles, and you can alter the design of those, which you couldn't traditionally manufacture. We have incredibly dense parts, greater than 99.5% dense, and low oxygen content, lower than 25 parts per million. So you can create a highly reliable, strong part.
So by printing this on the DMP Factory 500, we really have a bunch of advantages in terms of the strength of the part, reliability of the part, right? Expand a little bit on that.
Yeah, so our DMP 500 can print at less than 25 parts per million oxygen content. So you get a very dense part and a very reliable part, which is critical in semicon.
So we literally have thousands of these little nozzles or holes on the surface of this, right?
Correct. And you can print thousands of these with a negligible impact on cost or lead time. And you have the design flexibility to create non-cylindrical holes to improve your deposition.